Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a milkshake inspired by Slurp juice from Fortnite. And yeah, let's get started.
So what you'll need for this milkshake is some vanilla ice cream, some whole milk, and you'll also need blue and green food coloring because we're going to be dyeing this milkshake to look like Slurp juice. You'll need a mason jar of any size, but I'm using a taller, thinner one so that it looks like the bottle from the game. You'll also need some dark blue metallic sparkly paint because we're going to be painting the top of the jar lid. And of course, to make this whole shake, we're going to need a blender. So I measured out 1 3/4 cup of ice cream, and I'm now just pouring that into the blender. And then you'll also need to measure out 1/3 cup of whole milk. Now I just blended that on a low speed until it was nice and smooth. So now I just poured my milkshake evenly into 2 separate cups. So now just take only one of the cups and pour it back into the blender. So Slurp juice has 2 colors, and the first color on the bottom is like a turquoise. So I'm adding green and blue dyes mixed together, and I'm going for just a really neon light turquoise, which you'll see now. So I poured the turquoise milkshake back into its cup, and now I'm taking the other half of the milkshake and I'm putting it into the blender, and we're dyeing it blue. So we're just going for a light blue and then just pour it back into its cup like we did with the turquoise. So now open up the jar and you're going to pour all of the turquoise milkshake. So now here comes the hard part. So you're going to take a spoon and your blue milkshake, and you're going to hold the spoon on the edge of the jar, and you're going to try and drizzle the blue milkshake off the back of the spoon to get it to go around the sides of the jar rather than straight into the middle of the turquoise milkshake, because if it goes straight in the middle, then it's just going to mix and become one color when we want it to blend and become 2 separate colors. I don't think mine came out perfect, but I think I got a little bit of the blending ombre technique in there, so I think it came out pretty good. Now we're getting a little craftsy and we're turning into a DIY channel, and we're going to paint the top of the mason jar lid with our dark blue paint and just keep adding layers until you get a nice opaque solid color. And this is our finished Slurp juice, so now you can drink this while playing Fortnite.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!